The Mysterious Door. In a small town, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam was an ordinary boy with a big curiosity. He loved exploring new places, especially the old buildings in his town. One day, while walking through a quiet street, Sam saw an abandoned house. It looked old and spooky. The windows were broken, and the garden was overgrown with weeds. Sam had passed the house many times, but that day something felt different. As he looked closer, he noticed a strange door at the side of the house. It wasn't there before. The door was made of dark wood and had strange symbols carved on it. Sam's heart raced. He felt drawn to the door as if it was calling him. He looked around, making sure no one was watching, and then slowly walked towards it. When he reached the door, he hesitated for a moment. Should he open it? What if something bad was behind it? But Sam's curiosity was too strong. He grabbed the cold metal handle and pulled. The door creaked open, revealing a long, dark hallway. The air inside felt cold and still. Sam stepped inside cautiously. The hallway seemed to stretch forever, with no end in sight. As he walked further, he noticed paintings on the walls. But these weren't ordinary paintings. Each one showed a different scene, but all of them were strange. One painting showed a forest where the trees had faces. Another showed a town that was upside down. Sam's footsteps echoed as he continued down the hallway. He couldn't shake the feeling that someone, or something, was watching him. Suddenly, he heard a soft whisper. He froze. Who's there? He called out, his voice shaking. No one answered, but the whisper continued. It seemed to be coming from the end of the hallway. Gathering his courage, Sam walked faster. At the end of the hallway, he found another door, smaller than the first. The whispers were louder now. Taking a deep breath, Sam pushed the door open. To his surprise, he stepped into a room filled with light. In the center of the room was a large, old-fashioned mirror. The whispers had stopped, and the room was completely silent. Sam walked closer to the mirror. It was tall and dusty, but something about it felt magical. As he looked into the mirror, something strange happened. His reflection didn't move. Sam blinked, but his reflection stayed still, staring back at him with wide eyes. Then, slowly, the reflection smiled. Sam's heart pounded. He took a step back, but the reflection stayed in place. It raised its hand and pointed at something behind him. Sam quickly turned around, but there was nothing there. When he looked back at the mirror, his reflection was gone. Panic rose inside Sam. He turned to leave the room, but the door had vanished. He was trapped. What's happening? He whispered to himself. Suddenly, the mirror shimmered, and a voice came from it. You've entered the world of the unknown, Sam. To leave, you must solve the mystery of the mirror. Sam's hands trembled. What do you mean? He asked. The voice didn't answer. Instead, the mirror showed him a new image. It was a map of the house. There were symbols and clues marked on it. Sam realized that to escape, he had to follow the map and solve the puzzles hidden in the house. With no other choice, Sam began his search. Each room held a new puzzle, and each puzzle revealed a part of the mystery. In one room, he had to find hidden keys. In another, he had to arrange old books in the right order. The house seemed alive, and it changed every time he solved a puzzle. After hours of searching, Sam finally found the last piece of the puzzle. The mirror showed him the final clue, a riddle. I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have eyes, but I can see. What am I? Sam thought hard. His mind raced through everything he had seen in the house. Then it hit him. A reflection, he shouted. The mirror glowed brightly, and the door to the room reappeared. Sam ran towards it, relieved. As he stepped through the door, he found himself back outside the house. The mysterious door had disappeared, and everything looked normal again. Sam never spoke about what happened that day. But every time he walked past the old house, he wondered if the door would appear again. And if it did, would he dare to open it once more? Curiosity can lead to adventure, but sometimes mysteries are better left unsolved.